Hello, welcome back to the New York session. And as you might remember, that we have already made some profit today. And now, what we can see is, like, if you were aware in the Asian and London session, you might have seen that I have drawn these labels, and I said that we will be placing a trade here. And in the morning session, I showed you that I have placed the trade, and you can check here. And actually the quantity was quite, like, not too big. I have booked a half profit now, because like I said, the risk was of around $300, and as soon as I saw the $600 profit, I exited 50% of these two trades. So what you can see here is, this is the today's profit, and you can see these two positions are running. You can see overall the profit in these two trades is around 300. So this was our total risk, but now our risk is reduced to around 140, 150 something, and we are in a good profit. So let's see. So yes, I will be changing the target of one trade, as this is the best entry, we say, compared to these two. So one TP is at around 4809, 4810. So second, I will make it around this, because the entry is of Asian level. So Asian level target will be around 4823. So I will modify the target of one trade. I will make it 4823. 4823. So let's see whether the target will get hit or no. Now already we are risk free, we don't need to worry. If you remember, yesterday our account was in bit loss, as we missed some entries, because I need to show you the entries, so I didn't enter early. So today we started from the Asian session, and I shared the labels that we are going to trade at the start itself. And so I placed the limit orders in front of you people during the live session, and now we are saying it that we are in a good profit. So now we already have two trades running, and if we see this trade, it has given around 1:2.7 something. So now what I am going to do is, I will just move the stop loss to entry of this one trade, and I will keep the stop loss of the second trade as it is, just to lower the risk. So this trade stop loss will be 4765. I will make it BE plus, just to reduce our any loss. Now obviously now we are not in a loss, we will be only in profit, but to secure more profit, that if it hits the stop loss, then yes, we won't lose more. That's why I wish to enter here, and I have modified the stop loss. So yes, so already we are in a profit, and this is what I said in the morning session, that the Asian session, from the Asian session, whatever the labels we mark, most probably it will give us entry during London, and after marking the zones from the London session, most probably we will be getting the entries in New York session, and you can see the same thing has happened. We are running in profits, and we have booked the partials, and we have moved stop loss to entry of this trade so that we won't lose anything in this trade. But here we have kept the stop loss as it is, and even the target is higher. And you can see here, these are the today's trades. Today we are in a zero red trade till now. So let's see whether we will continue this or no. And as it looks like we are continuing to be profitable today. Because already we have booked the 50% in good profit, and yes, this will give around a loss of 74 something, 70 to $74 something if we make a loss here. And already we have booked in this trade around 200, so again we will be in blue. So that's for sure that today we will be ending in blue based on these trades. And yes, at 7:30 we will be marking some more levels, last levels for today, and then we'll be waiting for these trades to get activated overnight. So let's see how it goes. This is what I like, the beauty of this trading, that we don't need to watch the chart for the whole time. Just mark the zones, place the alerts, or place the sell limit and buy limit. Just forget about it and mark just an alert so that you are aware that the trade is active and it's moving in profit or it's moving towards loss. That's it, and no need to keep eye on the chart for the whole day. Just mark the levels during these 3 time zones and place the buy and sell limit orders, and just hold till the target, or keep on doing the partials and then hold till the target. So this is what our goal is. This is what the method we are using. Simple. No any rocket science. No rocket science, nothing to worry about. That's it. Now, what we wish is the price moves towards upward and we get a good bullish candle. This is what we want. We want one good bullish candle, super bullish candle. That's it. Let's see, touches here and then it moves. It's really good fun. So let's see, so we are expecting this already. We are into the trade. The trade is running. One good push, and we'll be looking by 39 in this trade and around 1096 in this trade. So we'll be around $1,500 up. this goes towards the tip. Okay, this is the my created candle, and it's moving exactly that way. Let's see. Okay, let's zoom out. So it has given almost, I can see is around 270 pips from our first entry, and almost 300. So this is what trading should look like. You don't have to track for the whole day, whole time. Just watch it. That's it. Now after 17 minutes, we will be marking another level based on the New York opening moves. Let's see how it goes, and then we'll mark another levels. move the stop loss to 1:2 of the first trade, 4776.95. Let's trail it. $4776.95. Price crossed to 1:4, so we have moved the stop loss to 1:2 of just one trade. Second trade stop loss is intact. We have not changed it because we have already booked the 50% profit. And just this is how we are securing our profits. So let's see. 1:4, not bad. The important thing is see the risk reward ratio that we are taking in these trades. We risked just $150 per trade, and you can see the reward almost 1:4, not bad. Now the profit is running around 880, 890. I don't wait. That's it, from 64.95 to almost 94.95. That means 300 pips, and here it is around 320 pips. Not bad. Need one good candle, one or two, three. 3 good bullish candles, and our first TP will be hit. Just around 13-14 dollars we are away from our TP, first TP. See the profit running. Important thing is the risk reward ratio that you can see. See the profit amount and see the lot size. Also see the stop loss. 62 entry, stop loss was 59. Here 64 entry, here also stop loss was 59. Now we have trailed it as the price has moved to 1:4. So now we have moved the stop loss of this trade to 1:2. We are holding this trade as it is for full TP and higher stop loss of TP because already we have booked the 50%. Let's see, and within 5 minutes we'll be marking another levels to trade after this New York session. Oh, it has gone till 1:5. So let's more stop loss more upward. Let's trail to 1:2.5. We are trailing in one trade and we are leaving the other trade as it is. So it is 478.87. Let's see if the trading stop loss gets hit or we get the full TP. I wish it will be good if we get the full TP. We'll be making good money. Just 3 minutes and we'll be making another levels. Another 4 levels. Just 2 minutes. Okay, looks the high and low will remain the same. So let's mark it. So as you know how I mark, I just see the low and high and then extend the fill. These are my settings. So now these are the for sell, same percent. And our trailing stop loss has been hit. So wanted has closed, and we have $290 in that trade, and now one is running. Let's see whether it gives a full TP. So as now here in this trade, I will try to book 50% when it reaches here, and then I will leave the price open. So yes, so now we can say that even the job of this zone is also done. So let's just remove the background. So the zone job has been done. Let's give one more off here. We'll finish to 6. So that's not bad. Okay, so now we have the labels too. So now what the plan will be, if this trade hits TP, like if it moves here, I will put more 50%, and then I will move the stop loss to around 50% of somewhere here 4788, and then I will wait for the next TP of around 4823. At the same time, like I said, when the levels are too close, I will enter on this level, that is 4823.73. I will sell here with a risk of around $150. And again here also I will be trading around at 4825.35 with a risk of $150, and my target will be in these levels 4744. Okay, and above this, again these are the two levels. So yes, I'll be trading on the upper level. So this will be my trade. Yes, and if the price continues downwards, then I will think of buy here, and again empty at this point. So that's it for today. See you tomorrow in the Asian session at 10 a.m. as per Indian time. So let's mark new levels tomorrow, and again let's trade to make profit. So after the end of day today, we can see that almost we have made 6% profit in a single day. So that's not bad by risking very small amount. And even if this trade hits TP, then I guess it will be around something $1,000 more. so we will be around 13% up.